On land, plants catch much of the rainfall before it reaches the Earth's surface. In a wooded area, for example, rain slowly drips off leaves of bushes and trees and trickles down branches. Roots and the leaf-covered forest floor act like a sponge. They soak up water and they slowly release water back into the ground or waterways. About 66% of the precipitation that falls on the continental United States each year returns to the atmosphere right away. Half of the rest runs off the surface of the land. This is called surface water. It collects in streams and flows to the ocean. People and some wildlife species, such as beaver, may build dams to slow and hold water for later use. When precipitation falls as snow, it can build up as snowpack, ice caps, and glaciers. Ice caps and glaciers can store frozen water for thousands of years. Snow in warmer places melts when spring arrives. The melted water that doesn't soak into the ground flows over land and is called snowmelt. If rain is hitting the ground faster than it can soak in, it becomes runoff. The slope of the ground also affects runoff. On steep slopes, water moves quickly and very little of it soaks into the ground. Hard surfaces reduce the amount of water that soaks into the soil even further. In urban areas, there's less porous ground for the rain to soak into. Paved roads, rooftops, and parking lots block water from soaking in, so all of it becomes runoff. Heavy rains run off streets, sidewalks, and other paved surfaces up to 10 times faster than on unpaved land. Some people use rainwater harvest barrels or tanks to collect water as it falls from building roofs. The water can then be used to water plants during dry periods when water is scarce. This is a good way to conserve water. Now, the faster water flows, the more power it has to wash away soil or to cause flooding. Stormwater that runs off paved roads, rooftops, and parking lots flows into ditches and storm drains. This water then drains directly into streams, lakes, and wetlands without any filtration or treatment. Any excess fertilizer, pesticides, mud, motor oil, or antifreeze, trash, even lawn clippings and pet waste on the pavement or roads wash into waterways during these heavy rains. This type of runoff is called non-point source pollution and is the leading cause of pollution of our aquatic resources in the United States.